Good evening everyone. Ang aking pong napiling event ay class reunion. So, ito po ang aking napiling design at souvenir ng venue. And, next. Sa cakes naman po, ang napili ko ay Bebot Cakes Pastries. Dito lang po near Calapan sa may pier. And, next. Ang sa sound system and lightings ko po ay DM Force. And the venue po is sa Balay Mindoro kasi po nag-offer po sila ng package reservation. Sa aking photography naman po is Light Frame Portrait Studio. Dito lang din po siya sa Calapan. Timeline sa proposal submission po is July 2, 2024. Yung submitting po ng plans, activities at pagpaplano po ay initial planning August 10 to 24. Confirming everything and setting budget and details of the event. Event detail validation po is August 25 to 31, 2024. Confirming details from cake, sound system, foods, and venue. Event preparation, September 1 to 16. Final checking of every single one of the details to be exact. Event promotion, September 17 to November 2. Invitations, Facebook, Gmail, etc. Event development, November 3 to 23. Establish a goal or checklist to ensure the completion. Ingress po is December 1, 2024. Ensure welcoming atmosphere by greeting guests from every family. Providing clear directions and facilitating their introductions to help attendees connect and enjoy the reunion. Event day ingress and egress. December 2. Ito na po yung date of the main event. Greeting assistants, ensure a warm welcome and provide help for special needs. Crowd management, organize lines with barriers and ensure good lighting and security. Transportation assistance, provide information and assistance for transport options. Feedback collection, set up stations or provide forms for attendee feedback. Post-launch is December 3, 2024. Ito na po yung magagather ng feedbacks, comment, and event evaluations. Sponsors po is DRS Express, One Shows, Benches Garden, Balay ni Fruitas Incorporate, Kuhit Paintings, and Camp Alepen.